guys, so I just washed my hair and I use this Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream for moisture. And I also use this virgin hair fertilizer that I'm just now getting on the bandwagon of. I've seen it here on YouTube and it looks like this. And a lot of people were saying that they saw results in just 1 week. So I went in with that on my scalp and throughout my hair. And I went ahead and flat twisted. Instead of braiding, I just flat twisted it. It was so much quicker, so much easier. And this is how it turned out. I think it is about 7 2-strand twists. And I saw this method on YouTube, of course. I saw that people were using this net weaving cap. And when it comes to my part, I'm just gonna cut the part. I will cut the rim, this little black rim. I'll be cutting that off. And I think this is a good idea. I've never tried it, so this will be my first time. And yeah, so I'll just go ahead and get started. And I'm pulling this all the way down so that it will be tight and a good hold onto my hair as I put in the crochet hair. And I'm just gonna take all of this off and also cut right here. The hair that I'll be using today is this Jamaican Bounce hair, and it is in the color 1. And it comes with 2 bundles in here, and it was just $6.99 a pack. I got 2 packs of this. And I'll be putting this Jamaican Bounce hair all around my head. And then when it comes to just this portion right here on my right side, I purchased this Curfinity hair in the color 30. And I will be putting this hair right here. This hair was, I believe it was $6.49, and it's the same amount. I know it's this little bitty box, but I guess they squished it all in here. It's the same amount, so I'll be putting this right here in the top. So this is what the Jamaican Bounce hair looks like. This is the loop. And it's a really pretty spiral curl, so of course it's bouncy. And here is my Curfinity crochet hair. This is in the color 30. I won't be manipulating the curl, but I will be just kind of separating it where it separates naturally. And it does cause a little bit of frizz, but we'll cut that off a little later. Alright guys, so this is 1 pack of the Jamaican Bounce hair. Now I'll just turn around so you can see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on my second pack, and I will come back before I start on the colored part. So I'll be right back. All right guys, so I have finished the second pack. Well, I have about 5 more strands of the crochet hair, the Jamaican Bounce, out of the second pack. And this is just what it looks like. So yes, this is pretty much all of 2 packs, and I'm gonna get ready to do the 30 in the top of my head. And it's already starting to look pretty, you guys. I am loving it already. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the cap and finish the middle part. And I will be doing the kind of like invisible crochet method. So we're gonna see how that turns out. Alright guys, this is the final look. I think I'm gonna cut a little bit over here because this is pretty short. I'm gonna try to match it, but it's gonna look right. I know it may not sound right, but it's gonna look right. So I'm just gonna kind of come and pull and cut just a little bit. All right, so this is the final look. I love it, y'all. I wish I could have got a little bit of the color 27 and put a couple pieces in here. I am loving this look. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little twirl. I have been loving doing crochet braids as a protective style because it's just low maintenance. You literally put your little bonnet on, go to sleep, take the bonnet off, shake it, move it around, and you're ready to go. So, and this braidless crochet, I love it. I don't know like how good it holds up, but right now it's doing really good. So don't forget to follow me on Snapchat. It's going to be Glamruz, Glamruz, and on Instagram at Jelisa Sharde. I'll go ahead and check me out. I hope you all can do this look and let me know how it turned out. I had one piece of the Jamaican Bounce hair left, and I had these 2 pieces of this Curfinity hair. And yeah, so I believe that's gonna be about it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give me a big thumbs up and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. Love you.